Hey guys, this is the dashboard. You ever have one of them days where the best laid plans just don't work out? I had one of them days today. Didn't seem to matter what I did. It was just not going to work out right. Originally, the plan had been had a doctor's appointment at 2:30. Was going to be out of there sometime after 3:30, between 3:30 and 4, and was going to head down to Ormond Beach because Mustangs at Daytona were having a burnout contest at the Beaver Bar or something. Anyway, uh, doctor wasn't on time. Rolled out of the doctor's office at 20 after 4. Yeah, was not very happy. Decided I was gonna start heading towards Ormond Beach and saw the traffic. If you know Jacksonville, you know, even it doesn't matter what day of the week it is, it's gonna be traffic all the way down to St. Augustine. So I changed my mind about going to Ormond Beach. So I went up to Kingsland. They were having a Party in the USA festival car show thing. I heard about it through Kingsland Cars and Coffee. They were going to be taking a group out there. Yeah, that plan didn't work either. So it was just one of them days all the way around. I went up there and I got to the church. Didn't see nobody from Kingsland Cars and Coffee. Oh, they were there. Because they told me they were there. After. And I did see one of the members of the group as I had decided to leave. I'm not going to cast anything on the people that organized it. I'm not going to, sit here and complain about the way they organized or anything like that. My day was not working out the way I wanted it to. And it being the 3rd of July, traffic was just unbelievable. Headed south. So I decided I didn't want to fight the traffic. It it weren't my day. But that's the thing when you're a YouTuber. You have them days every now and then. But hey, I'm making content out of it. So I took a video of the Party in the USA festival in Kingsland, and I did little vlog videos while I was doing it. There's not much to see. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that up front. But it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Share these videos around. I need to get some more subscribers. Maybe I can go to some better stuff if I get more subscribers. Got to make this YouTube thing pay somehow. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. I got a lot of videos going to be coming up this week. I'm going to do some fireworks videos for the 4th on tomorrow. Well, it'll be coming out on the weekend or sometime soon. Won't be tomorrow. I've also got Mustangs at Daytona is having their big car show on Saturday. Going down to that at New Smyrna Speedway. So if you if you want to go to a Mustang show, it's at New Smyrna Speedway in south of Daytona. It's gonna be the biggest Mustang show in Florida. Sunday there's some sort of first time car show at the Orange Park Mall. I'm gonna go check it out. Maybe see what's going on with that. And then Monday night, Yulee Cars and Coffee is having their Street Lights car show at the 7-Eleven in Yulee. So I'll be going out to that too. So I'll be having some car show content rolling in. Because it has been a rough couple of weeks of getting car show content for me. But luckily I make enough videos that I can stretch it out to be able to put out a video a day. But anyway, I do have 2 videos that I'm going to be putting out about a golf cart parade that I went to last weekend. 4th of July golf cart parade. It was a neat little thing, but it's kind of interesting, but not terribly interesting. So anyway, check them out. I'll be posting those videos up the next 2 days. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. We'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, this is the dashboard. We're headed out to Kingsland, Georgia tonight. It's Wednesday, July the 3rd. We're headed out to a Party in the USA festival, car show, pie eating contest, cornhole tournament, and fireworks show. Yeah, that's a lot. Anyway, not sure what we're going out to see. This was the backup plan for today. Had originally planned to go down to Ormond Beach, where Mustangs at Daytona was having a burnout contest, but got held up with some things prior. So it's always good to have a backup plan. So we're gonna go see what we see at this car show and festival, and we'll take some video and do some things, and we'll show you some of what was there. So stay tuned. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Bouncy houses, water slide.
Yeah.
Honey, I don't know about this.
I don't either, Mom.
I don't see any cars.
Well, there's the fireworks.
Yeah. Yeah, I ain't seeing no car show. Might better ask.
I can always pass on.
No?
Yeah, I'm going on.
Okay. I don't see any of our car show people.
I don't either. That's why I'm kind of dubious about pulling in.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the little sports cars right there, but I don't see any of our classic cars. Food trucks. Well, honey, I'm sorry. This is a bust. Which way you turning?
That way. Go down that way.
Okay. Yeah, there ain't no car show in there. I was gonna say, I saw them a minute ago. I was gonna say, I saw them a minute ago.
Unlike you, I don't think we need to wait
Sit out in the heat.
for 3 hours.
2.5 or whatever.
Okay. There's one of the old trucks. Isn't it?
Yeah.
He just pulled out. I guess he decided he wasn't staying either. He recognized you.
Mm-hmm. I ain't sticking around for this crap.
He's the only one that showed up, I bet.
Not exactly, but yeah.
They didn't have anyone anywhere stationed off for him either, so. Which way you going home? Okay.
Back the way I came.
Alright.